The latest jobs report just dropped, and it shows big private sector job gains. Are we seeing the Trump economy roaring ahead again? This could change your job prospects fast. The White House released the May 2026 jobs report, highlighting a significant rise in private sector employment. This surge reflects continued economic strength reminiscent of previous Trump-era growth patterns. Industries such as manufacturing, tech, and services led the way, adding tens of thousands of new jobs across the country. This robust job creation suggests businesses are confident and expanding their workforce despite global uncertainties. The report credits economic policies that prioritize deregulation and tax incentives, similar to those championed during the Trump administration. These policies appear to have encouraged private companies to hire more aggressively, driving the surge in jobs. This momentum is critical as it supports consumer spending and overall economic health heading into the second half of 2026. Workers in manufacturing, technology, and service sectors experienced the strongest job gains according to the report. These sectors are vital to the economy, and their growth signals expanded opportunities for skilled and unskilled workers alike. This trend could mean more stable employment and wage growth for millions of Americans. Looking forward, the trend of strong private sector hiring is expected to continue if economic policies remain consistent. This could translate into more job openings and potentially higher wages, giving workers more leverage. Job seekers should watch these sectors closely and consider upskilling to take advantage of new opportunities. Despite the positive numbers, uncertainties such as international trade tensions and possible shifts in economic policy remain risks that could slow job gains. The economy's resilience will depend on how effectively these challenges are managed moving forward. What this means for you is clear. The private sector is hiring like never before, especially in manufacturing, tech, and services. If you're job hunting or thinking about a career move, now is the time to act. Stay informed, consider new skills, and subscribe to Daily Q&A for the latest updates that impact your wallet and future.